Hi, I'd like to help you how to use Wizer Me, which is an app that you can use in order to make interactive worksheets with your pupils. You can have them answer in written form, you can have them speak, you can add many different things to Wizer Me. So let me show you how this works. So as you see, I'm in Google, so I put in Wizer, and it already pops up. So we've got wizerme.com. And if you do not have an account yet, you'll make one. It's free. And if you do, just log in. So I'm going to show you how you can take an already made worksheet, make it your own. You can edit it however you want, and you could also assign it to your pupils. So let's say I would like to use Wizer Me to practice for COBE, which I think is a wonderful idea because it's really the only app or site that I can think of that the kids can answer by recording their answers in a way that's easy for you, and they don't have to actually leave this site in order to do it. So I'll Google, let's say, COBE, and I do. And look, you pop up all sorts of different COBEs from a lot of different teachers. I'm going to give a special shout out to Zohar Jacobson that made many of them. And I have already taken hers and turned them into mine as well, and also edited them. Okay, so just to show you how to do this, I'm going to take this by a man named Muhammad. I press on it. It opens it up, and here's, well, it opened me all of his, but I could have gone directly onto it. So here, I'm going to go into his worksheet, and what it does is it is in a minute going to ask me if I want to use this. Okay, so as you see here, it says use worksheet. I press on use worksheet, and then I say edit my copy, because you don't want to assign his or he'll end up getting all your grades. Now, I don't really like this kind of font. I've never liked this kind of font. I find it difficult for the kids to handle. So if you go down here, okay, first of all, I'm going to pick a different background. So I'm going to take this notebook. And of the notebook ones, I think I'll take that. And then here we go, down to fonts. And I like this font. But there are a whole bunch of other fonts. And of course, you can make all the changes that you want. I'm going to turn this into description. And here it tells you that if when you make your own, you can add all of these amazing things, okay, to Wizer Me. So I'm going to change around a few things here. Watch the following movie and answer the following questions. Okay, and as you can see, he has embedded this PIP video, which is one that was used on the oral Bagrut ones, and he added questions. Okay, and let's say I finished. I look at it, I say, do I like it the way it is? I can change my point values. And here I say, there's no name. So I'm going to write here name. And I'm going to save it. Now, I'm going to make your life a little bit easier than that, because in this case I made changes. So I'm going to go back here, okay, to what's called my dashboard. And I go to worksheets. And I have a whole folder I already made, and again, thank you to the people whose videos I took and whose Wizer Me's I took and made my own. So I'm going to go to my COBE folder, and here there are a whole lot of code practice exams. So I'm going to go into this one. Let's say I like it. It's all ready. I don't want to make any changes. I'm happy with the way it is. So I say, okay, what do I do? Now, there's a bunch of things up here, okay? There's review if you want to see what it'll look like when the kids get it. Okay, you look at review, and this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so you say, okay, do I like this? Do I not like this? I'm happy with it. So the next thing I do is assign to learners. Okay, so you can do it via link or by class. Now, you can, if you have a premium account, you can add classes, which means premium means that you pay for it. Okay, if not, here you go to via link, create assignment, and all you need to do is copy the link. There's all sorts of things. There's pin, there's embed, classroom. Here is copy the link to assign worksheets to students. You do Control-C or just copy link. And this way you can pop it into your WhatsApp, into an email, into a Google site, into whatever you use. Or if you're lucky enough to have Google Classroom, as you can see, I'm a very big fan of Google Classroom, you can assign it to classes. So I've got a 12th grade class that'll be doing it this year, and I want to create assignment, and I'm going to do go, and I'm going to now assign this. So first let me choose where I want it to go. No topic, oral book root, assign. And that's how easy it is. So once again, just to run quickly through this, I have my Wizer Me, which is here on my dashboard. You can find me under, let's see, I'm going to be able to show you my my name. Okay, Debbie Cohen. You'll know it's me because it says Ofik School Kibbutz Hebron. And these are all my public worksheets, which means you can use any of these that you want, but you can also go to where I'm going to be sharing my worksheets, okay, this folder. So good luck to everybody and good coding, and I hope your pupils find this very useful to practice for the exam. Bye.